Biological organization. You know that the living organism, they are very simple as bacteria and they are complex as the human being. So the process in which the living organism are made from simple to the complex, it is can be studied in the levels of biological organization. We can say the body of all living things are made of different parts organized in a certain manner that supports the function. This organization includes atoms, molecules, organelles, cell, tissue, organs, organ system, and organism. So the first is the atom. So the atom consists of its subatomic particles like electron, proton, and neutrons. The bodies of the organism are made of 16 kinds of elements. Elements made up of the atoms. The living bodies, they are consist of the elements. There are six important bioelements like oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. They make 99% of the protoplasm. Other elements are also present in the living organisms. These elements, when combined, they form the molecules and compounds. Now, molecules, there are of two types, micromolecules and macromolecules. Micromolecules are the simple molecules having low molecular weight like water, amino acid, and macromolecules are molecules having the high molecular weight like starch and protein. You know that the living bodies, they are made up of all these water, amino acid, glucose, protein, starch, all living micromolecules and macromolecules. Now, molecules, when they combine to make the organelles. Organelles are the small units which are present in a cell like mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, etc. And when organelles combine, they make a cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of an organism. Now, group of cell, it is named as the tissue. When tissue combined, they make an organ. Organs, you know, they the organs are heart is an organ, stomach is an organ. When organ collectively combine, they make a organ system. This organ system perform a particular function, and when different organ system are present, they make the body of an organism. They may be a plant, animal, or the human beings. Now, a term population. Population is a group of similar individual. When they live in an area, they make a population. For example, when rabbit are present in an area, they make a population. Two or more population, when they are present in a area, they make a community. When in an area it contains the rabbit, frogs, cats, they make a community. The community of non-living component of area make a ecosystem, and when in area there are different living and non-living things are present, they make a ecosystem, and all the ecosystems which are present on the planet earth, they make a biosphere. In this diagram you can see that atom, they combine to form a molecule. When molecule combine, they make a organelle which is present inside the cell. When different organelles they combine, they make a cell. When cell combine, they make a tissue, and when tissue combine, they make an organ. From this organ, the organ systems are made, and when the systems are combined, they make the body of an organism. When same organism live in an area, they make a population. When different organisms are present in an area, they make a community, and when different living and non-living things are present in an area, they make a ecosystem, and on the planet earth where the living things are present, they make the biosphere of the earth. Topic is a cellular organization. How the organism are made, how their cells are arranged. On this basis, there are three types of organization: unicellular, colonial, and multicellular organization. In unicellular organization, The body of a living organism is made up of only one cell, and this cell performs all the life activities. For example, amoeba, paramecium, all these make a unicellular organization. In colonial organization, unicellular organisms are present, but they always live in the form of a colony. In this colony, some cell perform the process of capturing the food, some are responsible for the movements, and some are responsible for the reproduction. Main example of colonial organization is Volvox. Next is a multicellular organization. In multicellular organization, all the organisms which are present, they have many cells. Their cells are organized in the form of organs, tissues, and organ system. So their body is organized and they make a multicellular organization. All the organism other than the unicellular, they are the multicellular organisms, like mustard and frog. All the organisms, they are multicellular. Now, in exercise, encircle the best suitable answer. Miss Aisha was busy in dissecting and analyzing the heart of frog. Probably she is a histologist. C. How many people get lung cancer by smoking? This question can be answered through only by Metri. Al Qanun fil Tib is the famous book of Buali Sina. One of the following contain large number of cells but not a multicellular. Volvox. According to the five kingdom system of classification, mushroom belongs to kingdom fungi. The level of organization which is represented by the heart of rock is organ. One of the following is not a macromolecule, glucose. The number of plants in desert are scarce. This could be the statement of a biogeographist. Which bioelement make most of the composition of organism body? It is oxygen. Which of the following cellular organization represent Volvox colonial?